Among the branches where birds sing melodies, a sanctuary in the sky where hearts find ease. As seasons dance in harmony, we sway with the breeze. In this house in the tree, where our souls find release. Oh, house in the tree, where magic intertwines, where whispers of the wind become lullabies. With nature as our canvas, we'll forever be free. In this house in the tree, where dreams are realities. In the meadow where the wildflowers grow, stands a house in a tree, embracing the rainbow. Leaves whisper secrets, wind paints the sky, a dwelling